Yes, yes, yes. The moment is here. The moment I've been promising. It's been a long road. I know you guys seen a couple of my Let's Plays. See how that went. No camera. No audio. This is just it's not good. So, got the camera. Got the software. Let's get to work. Subscribe. Hey. So if you clicked on this video, you must be here for two reasons. One, I don't know how fingers work. Number one. First thing, really start your own YouTube channel. Second, you're interested in seeing how a YouTube channel gets started, such as myself, Lazy Boy. But before we get into any of the tips that I learned so far, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Come on this journey with me. First time editing, so comment below. Let me know what you guys think of this. I don't think I'm gonna get good reviews. I think you guys are gonna be pretty harsh on me. Yeah, I know you guys are gonna be harsh on me. Don't be harsh on me, please. Let's get into the nitty gritty now. 1, create content. Can't stress it enough. Create content. Find something that you love, find something that you wanna do, and just put it out there. Push the record button. Now, if you can look at a couple of my videos, you can see I don't have a microphone, I don't have a camera, I barely have anything. I'm recording off a PlayStation 5. So that just tells you the quality of my videos. Go ahead, check them out. I'll post it here. If nothing's up there, then the second thing I've learned so far is audio. Now, you can probably tell by this audio that I don't have a mic, but that brings me back to tip number 1. Create content. Push the record button. I don't care that I don't have a mic. I barely have a good, decent camera, but that shouldn't stop anybody from recording what they want to record and just putting it out there. You never know. You might get famous. And last but not least, don't be scared. Don't hesitate. I've hesitated for years. I'll probably get about 20 views. I think my most played video was 48 views. 48 views. 48 views. So that just goes to show you that, you know, it doesn't matter what the quality is. You just have to put out the content, and then over time, it's going to get better and better. That's why you should subscribe right now. By the end of the year, we hope to have at least 1,000 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 25 subscribers on the channel by the end of the year. So mainly, this video is for people like me that just was interested in seeing how a YouTube channel got started from scratch, literally from scratch. People that were curious on how it looks with a camera phone, or how it even sounds without no mic. And don't get me started on the lighting. But until then, I'm about to go ahead and try to edit this video, and we should see how this goes. If I post it, then you'll know. And I'm really trying to think, did I say everything that I needed to? I could be kind of forgetful sometimes. I'll record another video. And with that being said, thanks for coming to the channel. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope you learned a little bit, got a little bit of laughs out the way. And make sure you guys come back, okay? We're gonna be doing reviews, reaction vids. I stream almost every other day on YouTube. So yeah, click on these links somewhere, and yeah, roll that outro. Subscribe.